friend Sabrina.
Hi guys, happy to be here.
She usually helps me every year to make this. We're gonna be making my favorite recipe called Gata. Some people call it nasu. So here we go. I'm gonna place the sour cream in the bowl and then set some of your yeast separately. Just make sure you get all that sour cream out of there. Make sure it's really mixed in evenly. And keep on mixing. Now we're gonna set this for 10 minutes aside as we prep our dough. Sabrina's gonna go ahead and place the butter and she's gonna start softening it up. So go ahead and do that.
All right. Do you want both of them at once or one at a time?
No, both together is
Okay.
good. So you have at least 2 sticks in there.
Yeah.
So. You want me to do it?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Go for it. This is great. It's gonna be on the video.
Yeah, we could do it. We could do it. She was having a little technical, what was it? Technical difficulties. So I took over.
She usually bakes and I eat, so
Yeah, why
it works
not?
out better that way.
Okay, so we'll remove all that. Okay, so now what we're doing is we're gonna go ahead and beat the eggs separately, and then we're gonna place that in there. Now you're gonna add your oil. Make sure all that oil drips out. Okay, your vinegar. And now we mix it well again with this. Okay, so we got our butter ready, our butter mixture, and now we sifted our flour. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix both of them together. So we're gonna go ahead and add 2 cups of the sifted flour first. We're gonna leave the 1 cup to half a cup to 1 cup aside for kneading. Okay. So as she's doing that, we're gonna go ahead and add our sour cream and yeast mixture. So I'm gonna knead this little guy. been sitting there for 10 minutes, so now it's ready to go in. And then we're gonna start kneading this until it forms into a soft dough. Now, here comes that 1 cup that we set aside, and we're gonna gradually add it. Okay, so I noticed I'm starting to knead, and I added gradually some flour, and we have some flour left. And now I see that it's still sticky and it's sticking to my fingers, so I'm gonna add a little bit more until that stickiness feeling is gone. That's enough. Do it slowly so we don't over flour. So you see how I'm barely touching it and it doesn't stick? This is exactly what we're looking for. Okay, put a little bit more. That's it. Now we're gonna go ahead and place this, cover it with cellophane, put a towel over it. We're gonna go ahead and place this in the refrigerator for 3 hours, and then we'll be back. Okay, our dough has been sitting there in about 3.5 hours. Usually we wait 3 to 5 hours, but I was impatient and I want to get this gata going. And so for 3.5 hours, and it looks pretty good. So first we're gonna go ahead and add about 2 cups of sifted flour. Okay, now that we sifted our flour, we're gonna go ahead and add our melted butter. Now we're gonna add our sugar. Then we're gonna add our vanilla. And then mix it all up. If you want it a little bit more crumbly, I would suggest to add a little bit more flour. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I personally like it a little bit more crumbly. Okay. And the best way to mix this up is with your hands, the old-fashioned way. And I'll put a little bit more flour. A little bit too. Just a little bit, okay. So it has to be in a way that it doesn't stick to your hands. And it's a little bit, it's fine. And it has to crumble when you have it in your hand. You have to just do this, and when you see it has a crumble to a touch, it's perfect. Okay, now we're gonna go on to the next step, opening our dough. Okay guys, now we're gonna go ahead and open up our dough. We're gonna put it in 8 pieces, and then we're gonna go ahead and show you the next step.
Hi guys.
She's back. Is flour your surface. Your dough is firm at this point. That's what we need. See how firm it is? It's perfect. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it into 8 pieces. So okay, so what you do is you go ahead and place some flour on your roller, and then take one ball and flatten it out and make it into a rectangular shape. Our dough came out so perfect. It's so smooth. It's so perfect. Went ahead and we flattened out, opened up our dough. Now we're gonna go ahead and place a little bit of butter. Just a little coat. And then you're gonna split this evenly into 8 portions as well. So and then crumble it up. Now all you do is you roll it closed. If you have little cracks, it's okay. That's okay. Just push it back in and close it as much as you can. And then all you do is take your roller and roll it flat. Next, you're gonna go ahead and place some parchment paper in your pan. Now, next what we're gonna do is with a sharp knife, you're gonna go ahead and cut them in an angle. And then go ahead and spray your sheet very lightly. Okay, and then you're gonna line your gata about an inch apart. We went ahead and did our first roll. We're gonna go on to the next one. You'll see what's next. Okay guys, so we went ahead and we did our first batch. We have 2 other batches we did. We did so many gatas today. So we're gonna do the last step before we put them in the oven. Our oven has been preheated at 350. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have 2 egg whites. And this is gonna be for the topper. Okay, so go ahead and mix this all up. Okay, so go ahead and add your yogurt. Mix it up with your egg. Okay, so this is how your egg white and your yogurt mixture should look like. Next, all you do is a very light coat, brush on top, over, on every one of them. All right, guys, we had a successful day. We've been baking all day. Look at these awesome gatas. All right, stay tuned for more recipes. By the way, we have this awesome apron on our website. Go check it out. It is awesome. The material is really stiff. Go ahead and demonstrate how stiff this, oh yeah. Perfect. It's very, very comfortable. It's very long. And it goes up to the knee, and it's pretty long. So definitely worth to go check it out on our website. Happy holidays from Galore Flavors. Come back for more recipes, like and subscribe to our channel, and happy holidays.
Thank you for watching Galore Flavors. If you'd like, click down below to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes yet to come. You could also check us out on Instagram and Facebook. I'll see you guys next time.